Prince George's County receives a grant to address a backlog in the testing of sexual assault evidence kits. Some of those kits date back to the early 1990s.
We appreciate the work that we get to do with our victims and survivors. They are the strongest people that you will ever meet.
During a virtual press conference, State's Attorney Aisha Braveboy announces a partnership that will tackle the county's more than 2,000 untested rape kits.
Behind every kit is a victim of the most personal and one of the most brutal crimes that anyone can ever face.
The funding for this initiative will be used to provide resources, personnel, and equipment that is needed in testing the kits. The Maryland Coalition Against Sexual Assault, also known as MCASA, will play a key role in assisting survivors in getting information about their case.
To do this, MCASA has opened a Saki information phone line and an email address, so rape and sexual assault survivors can contact a victim advocate to discuss any of these questions that they may have about the project.
Currently, the state has about 5,800 untested rape kits. Also, here in Maryland, the state does not have a statutory limit for felony cases. Officials say this could potentially allow survivors an opportunity to pursue justice against their attackers.
And, we are really committed to ensuring these prosecutions, regardless of when they happen.
This announcement coincides with April being Sexual Assault Awareness Month. The state's attorney's office is also partnering with Prince George's Police and Maryland Capital Regional Health to address this issue, which could take years to resolve. Reporting in Bowie, Katara Jones, CTV News.